Friends, welcome to another tutorial of Easy Video series. In this tutorial I'm going to cover the basics and the new features of Windows 10. This is Windows 10 Technical Preview 32-bit edition. So first and foremost, as you can see, you directly get the desktop here as against the tile menu of Windows 8 and 8.1, which was quite unsuccessful and which was not received so well by people. So here, like just Windows 7, you get directly the desktop. Okay, so this is a technical preview, so there are possible that there might be some bugs while I show you the video, but currently let's proceed. So the first and the foremost change that everybody was waiting for is the return of the start menu. So you get the entire start menu back. What they have done is combining the previous goodness of start menu along with the apps of Windows 8 and 8.1. So anybody who is a fan of Windows 8 and 8.1 apps, he can also have his apps directly here. Okay, the search menu is always there like Windows 7, and when I click on all apps I get the installed apps right here. Okay, I just go to back, and then the good thing here is when I click the shutdown button, I have shutdown and restart option, unlike Windows 8 and 8.1 where you need to go in the right click on the rightmost corner of the screen, top right, select settings and then power and then shutdown. So you can directly shut down and restart your PCs right from here. The good thing about here is about the apps. I am not currently connected to internet, so for the apps in this are not full screen. You can resize them just like any other program. The data is some sample data, I guess, so it's not real data. So the good thing about apps is you can resize as per your own wishes. I just close this. See, I'm offline. Then another thing, you can resize the apps. Let's say we take the Skype app. Okay, so just check the options here. First you can unpin this from the start, so it will go away from here. Pin to taskbar. When I pin this, I get the Skype icon in the taskbar. I can right click and unpin, so Skype is here. So in resize option, I have small, medium and wide. So when I do medium, I get the Skype icon as well as the name. I can make it wide, so it becomes a wide icon. So most of your favorite utilities or apps can be made a wide icon. So for Microsoft stores, there is even more option of large. There it goes. Okay, so the technical preview, I had installed few softwares like Chrome for web browsing, Foxit Reader for my PDF viewing, and let's start Mozilla Thunderbird and Power ISO. Okay, so in this, the new feature of Windows 10 is the task view. Task view, when you click the icon here, the second icon from the start menu, you get all the open applications in a tiled manner. This is a very good improvement. Okay, so I can analyze, okay, what I'm reading, what I'm opening. Okay, so I can switch between apps. Okay, again I just come down here, I select the task view, and you get this. In addition to this, Windows 10 has a very good option of add a desktop. Okay, it's like a virtual desktop. If you have used those softwares for virtual desktops and all, you can add a desktop. See, this desktop is completely clean. What I can do here, I can start my Word, can start Excel here. So this helps you organize your work. Okay, it was a fresh install of Office 10. Okay, so for example, if you want your all office stuff to be in one desktop and all play stuff and just browsing stuff in another desktop, maybe a movies and a music collection in some another desktop, you can create as many desktop as you want. I have not tested about 4. Okay, so again just come back here. The shortcut is Windows tab. Shortcut key is Windows left arrow, right arrow, up arrow, down arrow. So let's say Windows, this app is open. maybe later. Next, you're good to go. Let's open 2-3 apps and okay, so while being on the Internet Explorer, I press Windows and left arrow key. So see, this snaps to the left. Let me show you full screen. This snaps to the left. Now there is Chrome. Because there is a window already to the left, I press Windows and right. It snaps to the right. I have an Excel here. Let's press Windows and down. It's not doing, it should go, full screen apps don't do that. And this, and you can snap in similar manner. Okay, again returning to Windows tab, we return to our desktop. For those who are fan of Windows 8 tile menu and those who don't want the desktop, for them, come to the right click menu, come to the start menu. Okay, come to the taskbar, right click here and click on properties. When you click on properties, there is a start menu option and you can switch between here. Use the start menu instead of start screen. So when you untick this, you need to log out. So you will have the familiar 8 and 8.1 desktop screens right directly the tile application. I dislike that, so I keep these options as default and click on cancel. In addition to it, when you right click on the Windows start button, you get a hell lot of options. First is the program and features for installing or uninstalling extra stuff of Windows, power options, event viewer log, then device manager. Let's click on system. What system? Okay, system properties are here. Good, that's good. And then we have the command prompt, and with command prompt with the admin console. I was reading on some blog that now the command prompt supports Control C, Control V and all stuff. Just for example, I am copying this and here, see, I did Control V and the stuff has pasted here. So finally, after Windows 95, Microsoft realized that command prompt needs to be empowered. Okay, let us see the other apps. So we have the task manager, the control panel, file explorer. Let's click on file explorer. You get this. There is a new button called home where you can add your stuff, your favorite stuffs, frequent folders, and recent files are also being made here. Okay, so in this manner you can quickly access your recently used files and folders when you open your explorer. So that's another good addition. And let's again go to the start menu. So in this I have installed versions, software versions, not the latest I would say. These applications were there in my Windows 7 also, and all of them are working flawlessly. CC Cleaner, the crap cleaner, it works well. It detects as Windows 8.1 Pro, but still I was using it well. I just ran my cleaner. Okay, it is asking for closing the Firefox. Google Chrome needs to be closed. So this is working fine. Some 14 MB of crap. Of course, it's a fresh system, nothing there in it. Okay, so Firefox 32 was there. Chrome, which version I installed? Let me check. About Google Chrome, it's 37. Okay, and yeah, one good thing about the search menu here is you can search the entire computer using the start menu. So if you see, search everywhere is being written here. So you can search your entire desktop computer using the search box here, right there. Okay, and let's see some screen resolution or personalize. So there are some Windows default themes. A flower theme, looks beautiful. Next, desktop background. File Explorer is quite similar to the one that is in Windows 8 and 8.1. Not much changes regarding that, but this is a technical preview. You can expect some more changes while the final version of Windows releases. Okay, so for at least users like me, I'm quite happy that the start menu is back and you can write to Windows feedback using this. I guess here is the icon. Windows feedback. Any suggestions that you might be having, you can write to Windows. If they get time, maybe they might implement your review or your feedback. Then let's go to PC settings. So these are something which are just like Windows 8. You can change picture, password, lock screen, account picture. You can set a custom account picture. Okay, you need to activate Windows. I haven't still activated my Windows. It's just a fresh install. Mind you, the technical preview 64-bit did not install successfully. It was giving some error during the installation. So I installed the 32-bit version, which worked quite well and which is quite decent. Installation I think took around 15 to 20 minutes for me. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please do click like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.